Fraud is a classic adversarial problem. As detection methods improve, fraudsters develop tactics to evade them. Say, for example, device intelligence as a way to counter fraudsters, where you collect IP, location, and you fingerprint the devices of users. Well, IP addresses could be masked, location data could be spoofed, and device fingerprints could be altered. So not all device intelligence solutions are created equal, and you need to go a level beyond just checking the box of having a device fingerprinted technology or an IP or geolocation solution. But at the same time, basic behavior intelligence is not the solution, where you're just looking at page views, page load, and browsing time. So not all behavior intelligence solutions are created equal, and these tactics are easily uh, evadable by fraudsters. And add to that the rise of Gen AI and the rise of malicious large language models like Fraud GPT, Worm GPT, Darkbird, and it gets even more complex to fight fraud because it's easier to do KYC fraud, call center fraud, money mules. And Sardine has a different approach to counter the fraudsters' ultra sophistication. And it boils down to the Sardine's philosophy, which is all risk and fraud problems are actually data problems. And high quality data plus context help you level up your fraud detection capabilities. And it comes down to two main things. So the way you type, swipe, and tap are as unique as every strand in your DNA. And the entire customer journey matters. So when you combine these two things and you look at every user login, key tap, swipe, and transaction, this is basically a clue to understand what is happening behind the computer or behind the mobile device. And so Sardine is basically a behavior infused risk platform and a unified API for all fraud and compliance needs. And Sardine combines multiple parameters to improve scoring accuracy. And these multiple parameters are fingerprinting the device, fingerprinting the account, detecting the true OS, detecting VPNs, proxies, Tor nodes, enabling bot detection, remote access tools, behaviorals in terms of swiping, typing, and other device-related capabilities by looking at the gyroscope and looking at accelerometers. And so there are a lot of capabilities here, but it's all about quality over quantity. And so Sardine enables you to have access to 4,000 plus fraud features and also ships between 250 to 500 new features every quarter. So this is the machine learning where Sardine uses supervised and unsupervised machine learning and returns a score that summarizes all these data points into a single digestible parameter. But third parties often return scores too, though they never tell you how they got to that score. And this is the unique thing about Sardine, which is providing you the description and providing you data about how they Sardine got to that score. And in this example, you could see that it's customer age, days, type of payment terminal, merchant category code. These are the factors that return a certain score. And so it's not a black box solution, but it's a solution that gives you full visibility about the feature importance. And this feature store is accessible and usable by customers with their own models, which is also a unique feature of Sardine. But it's not only about machine learning, it's also about rules. And Sardine gives you 1,000 plus ready-baked rules, and at the same time leverages Gen AI as a co-pilot to help risk assessment uh, become easier, to help risk analysts write rules with just describing the rule they want to type and transforming that to a SQL query, and a lot of other features that really help extract more value out of the Sardine platform. So, in a nutshell, it's all about AI plus humans in the loop as the future of fraud prevention. And so you get the ideal combination with Sardine, which is humans, rules, machine learning, and Gen AI. Go to sardine.ai to find out more about Sardine's solution.